Hello, today I'm going to make a natural mosquito repellent by mixing neem oil and coconut oil. So these two oils are very good for mosquito repellent. Neem oil have very peculiar bitter smell that mosquito don't like this one and they want to keep away. And coconut oil I'm keeping because it keep the skin soft and hydrated. So this is a natural mosquito repellent. And why we are making, so because right now in the tropical area, there are many mosquitoes are there. So mosquitoes carry dengue virus, so that is spread by mosquito bite, tropical mosquito bite, and then they cause the dengue fever. So it's better to keep away the mosquitoes. So for that, here I am taking one empty clean glass bottle, and I have here coconut oil, and this is the neem oil. This is highly concentrated oil. So I'm going to mix this. Just here I'm going to show you some simple ratio. This is the 1 teaspoon, and this is another teaspoon of the oil, coconut oil. And then so this is the neem oil. It is all very easily available in the vendor shop. You can purchase this. Also, if you will burn this oil in using bowl, so basically it's like then all from its fume mosquito also goes away. So but here I'm going to apply this on the skin. So basically just mix it very well, and then I'm taking here only 2 tablespoon coconut oil, and then 1 tablespoon neem oil to dilute it. If you want, you can add more, but right now I'm just adding only 2-to-1 ratio. So this is the one thing to add this one, and then shake it very well, and then I'm going to heat this in the water in the bowl for some time so that they can mix very easily. So next process is to heating. So now here I have a pan. So let's start the gas first, and then I will add some extra cover, add some water. So once it sorry, we have some background noise also. So now once it will start boiling, I will keep this bottle at least 5 minutes, and then I will remove. Today we have some background noise because of some construction, so I will show you after some time once it will start boiling. I'm heating these oils together because they will get mixed together very well. So just don't put this oil directly on the heat. It's always better to put in the water bath. So I make a water bath like this. Now you can see the water start boiling, and then I will keep this just 5 minutes so that oil gets really hot. Then I will remove this. So now it's 5 minutes done. I think I'm going to close this gas switch off and let it cool down by its own. After some time, once it will come at room temperature, then we can use it. If you see, it's really hot right now. Now it's become pale yellow color oil. So now you can see I remove this hot oil. It is still warm, which is good. I need a little bit warm, lukewarm hot oil. So now if I smell it, it is still have a pungent smell, bitter smell, but not very strong. But this oil I'm going to apply on my feet. Here you can see usually mosquito usually bite under the knee, so you can prevent your skin and feet by applying this oil. It's smooth and it will slightly bitter, but it's very good for mosquito repellent. So this is like a natural mosquito repellent, and I can keep this oil in 1 week, because I make a very small amount, so shelf life it will be better, not more than don't use more than a week. You can make a fresh anytime. Just keep your concentrated neem oil and coconut oil ready whenever you need. I just mix it to 2 spoon coconut oil, 1 spoon neem oil, mix together, warm them for 5 minutes, and then you can use it. So here you can see, and once you done by applying on your skin, you can just wash your hand with soap, so then mosquito will keep away. I hope you will like this video, and let me know if you have any question. So this was the neem oil mix in coconut oil as a mosquito repellent, natural mosquito repellent.